My fault.
He was making himself more and more confused.
Caution. This is a nuclear bomb. That NTV7 is now closed. Sorry that NTV7 is closed. This is bedtime. That was your very sad story. It was launching a nuke. All of them you haven't got them. That's why you just launching a nuke was on the city and town. That is Edward escaped the blast from Sodor Fallout. The sky isn't as blue, and it killed lots of people and animals and wildlife in the city and town. That is Sodor Fallout. It's called Edward escaped the blast. Apparently, look like this. Unfortunately, after this launching a nuke, you will be inside the bunker, and you had this is one. Stay at home with my family. Don't go outside. You will be killed. And you will have in this time. And anyways, bye bye.